In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up time tracking in Gusto. To begin, sign into your Gusto account and look at the left-hand menu. Find and click Time and Attendance. This is where Gusto keeps all the tools related to tracking hours worked, attendance, and time policies. Opening the correct area first is important because time tracking settings can be easy to miss if you stay on the payroll or employee pages. Once you are in Time and Attendance, go to the Time Tracking section. In the Time Tracking area, look for the option to edit your settings. Click Edit, then switch Time Tracking to Enabled. After you enable it, click Save. This step turns on the feature at the account level, so your team can start using Gusto to track time instead of relying on an outside method. Next, stay in the left menu under Time and Attendance, and click Time Tracking again to make sure you are on the main time tracking page. From there, choose the option to set up time tracking. This setup flow guides you through the key decisions you need to make before employees can clock in and out correctly. Now you will select the employees who should use time tracking. Choose the appropriate employees, then click Next. Be thoughtful here, because selecting the right group helps keep time tracking organized and avoids collecting hours for roles that do not need it. After that, choose the clock-in method. You will typically see options like Web and Mobile or Kiosk. Web and Mobile works well when employees use their own devices to clock in. Kiosk is better for a shared device at a job site or front desk where multiple employees clock in from one place. Select the method that matches how your workplace operates, then click Next. Finally, you will set your overtime and break policy. Choose the option that matches your company rules and any requirements that apply in your area. Take a moment to confirm the selection is correct, since this can affect how hours and pay are calculated. When you are ready, click Save and Finish. At this point, time tracking is enabled. Employees are selected. The clock-in method is set, and your overtime and break policy is in place. And that covers everything you need to know.